Hello, today I will show you top 14 things to do in Zermatt, Switzerland. So let's start with the number 1, Gornergrat. Number 2, Klein, Matterhorn. Number 3, Gorge. Number 4, the Matterhorn. Number 5, Zermatt Matterhorn Museum. Number 6, Breithorn. Number 7, skiing. Number 8, village of Findeln. Number 9, Rothorn. Number 10, Sunnegga. Number 11, Zermatt village. Number 12, Schwarzsee. Number 14, Forest Fun Park. And the last one, number 14, enjoy the spas from your hotel.